Types of box beam roll forming machine. Box beam roll forming machines are advanced metal forming systems designed to produce various closed and open beam profiles used in warehouse shelving, solar structures, industrial racking, and construction framing. Depending on the application, these machines can handle different materials, thicknesses, forming methods, and levels of automation. Below are the main types of box beam roll forming machines, including the specialized integrated welded box beam and C-type box beam production systems. Integrated welded box beam roll forming machine. The integrated welded box beam line is a high-end solution where two open profiles are formed and automatically welded together within the same production line. Using TIG, MIG, or high-frequency welding systems, the machine ensures a seamless and robust bond, resulting in a fully enclosed and load-bearing box beam. This type of machine is ideal for producing structural components that require enhanced rigidity, such as industrial mezzanines, multi-tier racking systems, or warehouse platforms. It offers unmatched strength, uniformity, and efficiency, reducing manual handling and secondary processes. C-type box beam roll forming machine. The C-type box beam roll forming machine is one of the most widely used systems in racking and shelving industries. It forms a C profile that is later folded and joined, either by locking or welding, to create a closed box section. These machines typically handle steel coils of 1.5, 3.0 mm thickness and produce strong, lightweight beams ideal for heavy-load storage rack. Their modular design allows for quick profile changes and high-speed operation, making them suitable for large-scale production. LOTOSFORMING also designs and manufactures customized box beam roll forming machines based on client-specific needs. From special beam geometries to integrated automation, LOTOSFORMING supports fully tailored roll forming lines to meet demands across industries such as automotive, green energy, and construction. Applications across industries. Logistics and warehousing. Structural rack beams, upright columns, and closed box profiles for storage. Retail and light industry. Display shelving and storage frame.